Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Stay cozy and maximize the warmth of your home with efficient heating accessories this winter. The best wood stove fans improve heat circulation, reduce cold spots, and make your living space more comfortable without extra fuel or electricity costs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. EcoFan Air Max Heat-Powered Stove Fan. The EcoFan Air Max Heat-Powered Stove Fan is designed to make your wood stove more efficient and your living space more comfortable. Powered entirely by the heat generated from the stove itself, this fan eliminates the need for cords, batteries, or electricity. Once the stove reaches its optimal operating temperature, it quickly activates to circulate warm air evenly across the room, reducing cold spots and helping you feel cozy faster. By improving air distribution, it increases stove efficiency and reduces fuel use, offering long-term savings on firewood. The sleek, classic design suits any wood stove or interior, while its two-blade system minimizes motor resistance for consistent performance. Safety is also a priority with finger-safe blades, making it a smart choice for households with children or pets. Built to withstand high temperatures, this fan is durable, reliable, and supported by easily replaceable motors and a strong warranty. If you're looking for a dependable and eco-friendly way to maximize your stove's heat output, the EcoFan Air Max delivers a great balance of performance, style, and savings.
Number 2. Valiant FIR 361 Premium 4 Heat-Powered Stove Fan. The Valiant FIR 361 Premium 4 Heat-Powered Stove Fan is a compact but powerful solution for enhancing heat circulation from your stove. Standing only 8 inches tall, it's designed to fit even in tight spaces while maintaining impressive performance. This fan activates at an ultra-low starting temperature of just 122 degrees Fahrenheit under test conditions, making it perfect for newer, cooler-topped stoves that don't reach extremely high temperatures. Despite its small footprint, it pushes warm air at a remarkable rate of up to 350 feet per minute, ensuring faster and more even heat distribution throughout your space. This combination of efficiency and longevity makes it ideal for anyone wanting more comfort without additional energy costs. Its understated yet sturdy design blends seamlessly with most stoves and interiors. Whether you're heating a compact cabin or simply want to make the most of your stove's output, the Valiant FIR 361 offers high performance in a small, reliable package that helps you stay warm while saving on fuel.
Number 3. The EcoFan Air Deco Heat-Powered Stove Fan. The EcoFan Air Deco Heat-Powered Stove Fan offers a stylish and efficient way to improve heat distribution from your stove. Like other EcoFan models, it's completely heat-powered, generating its own electricity without the need for batteries or cords. This fan starts working at lower stove temperatures, making it ideal for a variety of stove types, including wood, gas, pellet, and soapstone models. The two-blade system is engineered to minimize motor resistance for smooth, reliable performance, and finger-safe blades add an extra layer of safety. Built from durable materials to handle high heat, the AirDeco is backed by solid support, including replacement motors and a robust warranty. If you're looking for a sleek, dependable, and eco-friendly fan to maximize your stove's efficiency, the EcoFan Air Deco is a great choice for consistent warmth, lower fuel consumption, and modern style.
Number 4. Rutland Oscillating Heat-Powered Stove Fan. The Rutland Oscillating Heat-Powered Stove Fan is an innovative choice for homeowners who want to enhance heat circulation while adding a unique touch to their stove setup. Unlike traditional fixed fans, this model features an oscillating design that distributes warm air across a wider area, improving comfort throughout your room. The black finish blends seamlessly with most interiors, while its table fan design gives it a distinctive, modern appearance.
By circulating warm air more effectively, it helps your stove operate more efficiently, potentially reducing the amount of wood or fuel needed to maintain a comfortable temperature. Durable construction ensures reliable operation season after season. This fan is ideal for those who want a heat-powered solution with added movement for better coverage, providing a balance of style, efficiency, and eco-friendly operation to keep your living space warmer without extra energy costs.
Number 5. Heat-powered stove fan 4-blade. The heat-powered stove fan 4-blade is a practical and efficient accessory designed to improve the performance of wood, coal, or pellet stoves. Using upgraded thermoelectric technology, it starts automatically at surface temperatures between 80 degrees Celsius and 400 degrees Celsius, delivering faster speed and greater air volume than standard models. By circulating warm air more effectively, it can reduce wood use by up to 28%, making it an eco-friendly and cost-saving addition to your heating setup. If you're looking for an easy, self-powered way to distribute heat more evenly and reduce fuel use, this 4-blade stove fan delivers outstanding value and dependable operation. Choosing the right heat-powered stove fan can transform your wood or pellet stove into a more efficient, comfortable heat source. Each of these top options improves air circulation, saves fuel, and operates silently without electricity. With durable designs and proven performance, they're eco-friendly upgrades that make staying warm easier, safer, and more economical every season.